Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. In today's video we will be making some almond milk. So I'm gonna try to make my own and see if, and it's very easy. You just need almond. Some people add vanilla, all sorts of stuff to fit them on, but I don't want to add nothing in it. Probably some salt. But we're gonna make our own milk. I'm gonna try it with cereal. I'm gonna make Jason try it just to see if it tastes different. I don't know how long I can have it for. This is my first time I'm gonna make it. Well, no. Yes. No. Yeah. I remember blending almond. But I don't think I'm one almond milk I did make. I blend almond already though and do something. Anyways, I can't remember. But we're gonna make our own almond milk. The video that I sped up earlier, sped up? Babe, what is the past tense of speed? Sped. Okay, so the video I'm speed up earlier, just to be on the safe side. What was I saying? Honestly, me, I wash the almond, put it for soak. I put it for soak in some cold water. And I rinse it, I throw off the water and rinse it because I never want it to spoil. I throw off the water before 24 hours, but it's okay because see there, it swell and even full the container. And it still smells fresh. I didn't worry about how it's gonna smell because you know, everything just so close together and it close up. I just never want to take no check. And I went to the market today as usual. You know, say Miss a market girl, I don't buy certain things in a supermarket. Supermarket people sell them supermarket things and market people for sell them market things. Yeah. Just me. I don't know if everybody think like that, but I got some cucumber, coconut, some string bean, dasheen, some dasheen roll out but some dasheen, some sweet corn, cabbage. Them cabbage are big. I always take the small cabbage, but this is full. Some melon, some ginger. I already have turmeric in the fridge. I get some cowpeas. This is so nice. Also one next piece what them call Jerusalem peas. But this nice too. Get some plantain, tomato, pineapple, pumpkin. This pumpkin is so pretty. I hope it tastes like how it looks. Sweet pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper, guys. The black pepper on the nose, so that's hot in a man. Some onion, Irish potato, carrot, and sweet potato. Because I'm gonna wash them. Oh, and garlic. Can't leave out the garlic. I can't wait for living in my one place because certain things I want to stop buying. I want to plant them. All my tomato seed. So I have everything now. So I have the almond, the salt, plug in the blender, and I have these 2 glass jar to put the milk in. My hair said it lasts longer when you put it in a glass. And I have the strainer and the funnel. So let us get right into it. As I said, I'm not going to add no vanilla, no spice, nothing to it. Well, let me not say that. When I finish with it and I taste what it can take, then we see what I want to add, but I don't think I want to add nothing to it. I just want the almond milk itself. I'm going to put some almond, you know what? Let me put some water in the blender first. And I went ahead and washed the blender already because I don't want the almond them to stuck underneath the blade. Oh, that never made no sense because them sink go right down there. I think me did onto something. And I want it to be weak, so I'm not going to water it down too much. Alright, I should think that is good. So make we strain this off. That's the worst thing. So this stuff we go strain again. Need a smaller spoon. Don't move. We're not even gonna need the funnel yet. I don't need that yet. Exactly. Slow way up. Other strainer here slow me up. No, it's not gonna work out. Alright, so after I do this, that set here, I'm gonna use the strainer here, because that one here, it has slow me up. Oh, we need something to put the trash. That's why I don't like blend things, because you use too much container. I hope ice in the fridge. Baby, do you use ice? Oh, that means ice in the fridge. Right. See that? Much better. So that means we can make almond oil. Can't really make my own things them. I zone out a while ago about it. I just think about it. I can't make my own things them. You know, I gotta start making my own things. You know, you can make your own coconut oil. That's not hard for me. But this look nice, babe? Look creamy? Like you're drinking? Alright, so I'm soon come with it.
I need to come with my way.
Oh, you have to taste it for sure. Ooh. I don't know, something about the one in the box just not sit well with me. Well, the brand. Let me try. So I want to see. Oh, we need an next set. Alright. So we get this so far. We never need two containers then. Well, let me see. You see? Blending. Oh, it's a messy work. Alright, so we do the last set. I'm gonna speed it up and strain off this set. Then I can't. Yeah, look for your chocolate.
Nope.
Alright, like you now look for your chocolate. What is in your hand? You see? Which one of them are there?
The blue.
The blue?
Yeah.
We don't have a blue.
Exactly. I go that one.
But not everybody knows you like the blue. Them never have any though.
I do like this one.
I think the blue are coconut. That, we don't know that one and the orange of vanilla.
No, what is this one? Nice. Oh, shoot, I'm in the camera.
Okay.
Nice. Jesus, guapo.
Fix back my camera. Alright, it's okay. Make it stay. It's alright, wait there. Alright, so we're finished with straining. Well, no. We're not finished. I'm gonna give it one more strain before I put it in the container. I'm not gonna throw away this. This is the trash from the almond. I'm gonna look up what I can make with this. If not, I throw it away. But before I throw it away, I just gonna look what I can make from it. Or if not, I just save it. Forget mommy them to put around the plants. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna give it one last strain. So this is how the funnel come in handy. What am I see? Oh, nope, no, not so quick. I'm gonna add in with salt from now. So not too much. Looks good, but does it taste good? I don't know. I think it's gonna taste good. Once it tastes like when I drink out of the box, or exactly like how it tastes in the box. So just stir it properly so everything can dissolve out. I should think it's good now though. I lucky thing I did I go strain it one more time because I can't see grain because the strainer they turn over with it. I think it's gonna be better after this because the strainer you're fine. Now see where that one? If it take me time in because me can be very clumsy. Wait, we need a little. Don't move. Be like an adult. I need to change my camera setting because is it me or the stuff them just look overly exposed? May I play around with my settings tonight? Don't worry yourself. I'm excited. This is some almond milk. I guess I don't know by now because you used to be blend it. So we're going to test it. So we're going to make it cool. Looks rich. If this tastes good, babe, me never I go buy it back. I go always just blend my almond. So I could just stir it up.
And it tastes good.
The only thing, it's fresh. No, it's fresh. That means that the one in the box then put sugar in it. This tastes like rich almond milk.
Oh.
Baby don't like it. I mean, if you don't love almond, if you don't love almond, you don't love it?
Tastes so good.
Probably you need a little bit more salt.
I don't think it needs nothing else. I just think it really needs to just be.
Disposable?
No, man.
Why
I would never say that.
Now put some more. Guys, it tastes good.
Wait, you put the coconut in there?
No.
Oh.
Oh, that look pale because I ate the strain of last. Let me taste it again. Not bad, babe. Not bad.
I don't think it's neither bad nor good.
It's just fresh. The one in the box is sweet. Well, me like it. We're going to taste it with the cereal.
No, you don't need to taste it with the cereal.
No, babe, please.
This,
no, wait. The cereal have a sweet taste, so just give it a try. Babe, give it a try.
How much money you spend on make all of this?
Ask me that question.
Right. Aside, I got that talk. Babe, don't do it.
No, babe.
Don't do it, babe.
And nice with
I already saw your face, baby. It doesn't taste good. I saw your face, babe. It doesn't taste good like that. Don't care.
Baby, it tastes
It does, baby. Who you trying to trick? I think it's time, man. I think it's time.
Baby, it's something tastes nice. Baby, listen.
Listen.
Because the honey upon this, it gives it.
Doesn't change the fact that the milk tastes bad.
Baby, I think it tastes bad.
I'm gonna compare it to something. You're one of the best chefs ever seen in my own 2 years. As a matter of fact, you're the best chef that me ever witnessed in my life, you see? You remember when you used to make porridge and you used to say, babe, and one thing you miss better than porridge. Remember you did fight to come up, take one lesson from that. Cause right now your porridge bad now, you know. Yeah, take a lesson from that. Don't try with that one, please.
It don't taste it with
no,
it.
I would never do that to myself again. It doesn't taste good. And it's not that it's fresh because I like fresh things too.
And it tastes bad to me, to be honest. And then it tastes better with the cereal because the Cheerios have like a honey on it, so it gives it a little sweet taste. So if me did have honey, you know what? Me go add some honey to it tomorrow. Me go buy 1 bottle of honey and add it to it. It don't taste bad. Jason probably just not love it because him no. I don't know him not like almond milk or him not familiar with the taste. But if you know the taste that almond milk give out of the box, then you will appreciate this because this just tastes fresh and rich. And matter of fact, I not add no honey either. Yep. But guys, this is it. Tell me if you ever tried before and if it's better. I mean, I'm assuming it's better, and me go always make my milk them now. Like as of now on, me I make everything. Just to add to all of this, I am going to start doing things a little bit different in this house. I've been trying, but now me go really dig deeper into it. What we buy, what we consume, especially me. I know say Jason will come on board with me, but me have to understand that my journey is different from Jason's journey, and I don't want to be selfish. I don't want to say, oh, because I'm not going to use this again, it means that I'm not going to buy it so him can't use it. We get material, like certain stuff what we used to crave for, what we used to buy, like it not happen again. The only reason why sometimes me kind of short-handed on certain stuff, because it's time consuming, and sometimes me dey on a rush. Sometimes me have the me can't bother attitude. Maybe honest, I don't know. I want to go back to doing stuff like instead of me go buy one pineapple drink, me make my own pineapple juice. But me go just go back to juicing and bottling it out And now I realize say me go start make my own milk, like blend up my coconut, have my coconut milk in the fridge, my almond, because it not tastes bad, it tastes good. And a matter of fact, if me can stomach the one them in the store in a box, might as well me just do my own and add the little touches to it to see if me can get it to my liking. And this is bland and it tastes so good. So me go just try when it comes down to certain stuff here, man. As me say, me not go get everything one time, but when you start to try and then you see how it make your body feel different, then that is the pump where you need, the boost. We say, wow, I love how my body feel after I do this for a month. Because at this reach me now, at that reach me, like certain stuff when I cut out of my diet, me I say, but me not feel tired, me not feel, you know, things just different, like the different oil, certain little stuff, like, you get me, I say, just certain little things are gonna change. We have to start from somewhere, guys. You're not too late. If you are watching this, start with me.